Join me as I take on the challenge of making the most amazing paper jet ever, the F-15 paper airplane. Can I get it to fly farther than any paper plane I've made before? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of paper airplanes by creating the F-15 paper jet, known for its impressive flight capabilities. I know a lot of you out there have tried making paper airplanes before, but they just don't seem to fly right. You've invested time and effort into folding the perfect plane, only to have it nosedive or stall midair. You're not alone. Many people have been there, done that, and it's frustrating, to say the least. What's even more annoying is when you see those YouTube tutorials that make it look so easy, but when you try to follow along, your own plane turns out to be a total failure. You start to wonder if you're just not cut out for this paper airplane thing. But fear not, my friend, because today we're going to tackle the F-15 paper jet, a plane that's known for its speed, agility, and most importantly, its ability to fly smoothly and steadily. By the end of this video, you'll be capable of creating a paper airplane that'll leave all your friends in awe. Let's get started. Take a regular A4 or letter-size paper, and fold it in half lengthwise. Yes, it's a simple start, but trust me, the magic happens when you get to the next steps. Next, open the paper back up, and fold the top left and right corners down so that they meet the middle crease you made earlier. Make sure these folds are crisp and sharp, as they'll affect the plane's overall aerodynamics. Now we're going to create the winglets. To do this, fold the bottom left and right corners up so that they meet the top edge of the paper. Again, make sure these folds are precise and symmetrical. The final step is to fold the tail section. To do this, fold the bottom edge of the paper up towards the body of the plane, making sure it's aligned with the middle crease. And that's it. Your F-15 paper jet is now complete. Take a step back, admire your handiwork, and get ready to take it for a spin. The moment of truth has arrived. Gently toss the plane underhand, making sure it's flat and even. Watch in amazement as it glides smoothly through the air, its wings stabilizing its flight. As I take this plane for a test flight, I can see that it's experiencing a slight wobble. No worries, though. This is an easy fix. All we need to do is adjust the winglets slightly, and it'll be flying like a pro in no time. The F-15 paper jet is an incredible plane, and with these simple adjustments, it's capable of flying even farther and more smoothly. The key to its success lies in the precise folds we made earlier, which allow the plane to cut through the air with ease. That's it for today, folks. If you followed along and created your own F-15 paper jet, I hope you're as thrilled as I am with the results. Remember, the key to success lies in those crisp, sharp folds, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other paper airplane tutorials in the description below.